Hey everyone, welcome back to my another new video and I hope you all are fit and fine. So today this board came to repair and this is a HP EliteBook 845 G7 laptop motherboard, and this motherboard is totally dead and we have no schematic or board view for this motherboard, and how we will fix this motherboard I will show you. So let's try to fix it. Okay, as you can see, this is a motherboard part number here. So at first I will check impedance in main power rail. For that I need to set my multimeter in beep mode, as you can hear. So I have no schematic or board view, so I will fix this motherboard with my knowledge or experience, whatever you say. So at first I will check DC in voltage in DC jack here, as you can see here. So sorry, impedance. So as you can see, there is no value or no beeps. That means this side is clear. Then I will check any of this kind of pad, as you can see here, 13 volt or 12 volt, whatever. So let's check here. So here also no beep or not showing any value. That means main power rail is clear, not short ground. Now I will plug it in. So look at my power supply, it's not taking any amps, it's only 0.015. So now I will measure some required voltage on this motherboard. So at first, DC in voltage in DC jack, we have 19 volt present here. Then I will check ADID signal 1.6. Okay, it's okay. Next I will check here. Okay, as you can see, no voltage is here. Here should be 12 or 13. Actually I don't know accurate because I don't have any schematic or board view. So what should I check now? So we have no voltage here. This is a DC in or BAT, whatever. So let's check some MOSFET here. You can see bunch of MOSFET here. So let's check one by one. 19, here also 19, 19, here also 19. No voltage here. Okay. So now I will show you my technique, how I fix or find out problem this kind of motherboard. So at first I will check this voltage comes from where. This voltage comes from here, so we have no voltage here. So in this case, first I will check charging IC and this 4 MOSFET here. So at first I will check this MOSFET. No short, no short, no short, no short. So let's check voltage here. So we have voltage in this current sense resistor here also. Okay, no voltage here. Let's check charging IC. We have a charging IC here is ISL 92418. So I have a data sheet for this IC. So let's open. দেখা যাচ্ছে এটা little bit. Okay, we have only this data sheet for this IC. So what should I check first? DC in. DC in voltage, DC in. We have DC in this voltage and pin number 17. So let's check, plugged in, and let's check pin number 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, pin number 17. Okay, as you can see here, no voltage in pin number 17. So let me check the impedance in pin number 17. So I set my multimeter in DC mode via big mode. So one probe is ground, other one. Okay, as you can see or hear, we have beeping. That means this line is short to ground. So at first I need to check this line comes from where. So for that I will touch one probe here, other one touch like this. No, no. Let's check other side. Okay, we got it. Let me show you under my microscope. This is 100 ohms resistor. So let's check this resistor. We have 18.7 volt here, and other side nothing, just 0.12, or something, whatever. So we have a one capacitor with this resistor. So let's check that capacitor. It's showing short. So at first I will remove this capacitor. Check this. Okay, caps is not faulty. Let's put it back. Let's check this resistor. This resistor is open. So in this case, now I will remove this charging IC. Now I will check the impedance again. As you can see here, no more beeps or not showing any value. That means this charging IC is faulty. So I have my donor board. I have lots of donor board. This is the same IC. This is a G6 motherboard. We have this IC. It's done. Let's clean the plugs. Normal bits. Let's change this 100 ohms resistor. So here we have a 100 ohms resistor. Okay, it's done. Okay, let's plug in to it. Okay, it's done. It's turning on. Let's check this resistor. We have 18 volt. Other side, 18 volt, and it's turning on. So as you can see, without schematic, without board view, successfully fix this motherboard. Let's check the display. Plastic.
ভালো স্যার
Plugged in again. We have the now LED or LED also blinking. Need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, we have HP logo, and we successfully fixed this motherboard. So I hope you all are enjoying this video. If you like this video, so please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon if you already subscribed my channel. Thank you so much.